So welcome back, business technology students, and today we're going to go over our Blue Nation Store spreadsheet. Instructions are right here. They're also available on the Modo, and we'll pass out copies during class. So what we have here is our data for our store. First thing we want to do on instructions, it says to make sure all margins are set at 0.5 and our header and footer at 0. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and click on page layout, margins. Let's go ahead and go to custom and set them at 0.5. 5. And our header and footer at 0. Enter. Next step, what we want to do is we want to change the page orientation to landscape. Go ahead and just click landscape. So now the printable areas are between cells or columns A through K and from rows 1 to 33. So all this will be in our printable area. Okay. Next what we want to do is we want to type in the data that is listed on the handout. So first up we have the items. Let's go ahead and just click enter or click on the box and type in item. Enter. Price. Days of the week, Monday, and so forth. Same for our items down here, our Cheez-Its. Oops. Pop-Tarts, and so forth. Next up, what you want to do is we want to bold our headings. Let's go ahead and click and just drag all the way over. Go to the home ribbon. Here's our bold. Click that. Same for our items. Let's go ahead and bold these as well. Next up, what you want to do is we want to center everything in our table. Here, center align. Now everything's centered for us. Then we want to add a border around our headings as well. Go ahead, click and drag again. I'm going to put a thick outside border on. Outside border. Each one, and break them up. Same for here as well. Then what we want to do is now we have our table made. We want to enter in the numbers, the data numbers for our store. So the prices, 0.75, $1, $1.50, and so forth. And then our customers who bought items. So 27 customers bought Cheez-Its, 12 bought Pop-Tarts, and so forth. So from here we want to insert a word art. Go ahead and go to insert, word art, and click on this one, Blue Nation Store. Store sales. Go ahead and click. I'm going to move this on top of our data. Notice I started my table at A11. Do that to give myself some room so I can put it in this header and footer, but if you want, you can start this table closer to A6, A7, whichever you like. I'm going to put mine here. One thing I forgot to do is put borders in our table. It's my fault. Let's go ahead and click and drag all over here. Go back to the borders. And I'm just going to go ahead and go with all borders. If you want to, you can delete this open area from our headers to our items. If you want, you can go ahead and delete it. So I'm going to just go ahead and right click, delete. And if you want to dress this up a little bit, we can maybe shade it. Shade our headings. And then our data on the inside, we can make it a lighter color. Offset it just a little bit. Up to you, personal preference. You don't have to do the coloring. And then from here, what you want to do is you want to enter our totals. So we want to take our weekly totals of each item. So we'll put equals and go ahead and fill out the totals from Monday to Friday for each of our items. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Until next time, Have a good day.